6, 7, 8. Hey everybody, it's Foolies Fridays. We do it my way. Hey everybody, it's Foolies Fridays. Gonna do it my way. A do 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 do. Ooh ooh ooh. Let that just marinate in your head. A do 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 do. Ooh ooh. What's poppin' with the population? So, Foolies Fridays. A lot of silly antics. Meet your boy ATG, A Money, Nemo the Fishman, Young T'Challa rather, because that's Young T'Challa. I'm Young T'Challa. And we got Young Monger, or just Young Eric in the building, hanging out with us today. And I'm the CEO of Foolies Limited Clothing. And I just want to inspire you to live out your golden dream. That's it. So share this in advance. Don't even wait. Share it because you know it's about to be good. And it's inspired from the movie. Are you done? That's the question of the day. Are you done feeling sorry for yourself? Are you done asking other people, should I live out my dream? Should I start my blog? Should I do that video series? Should I do this? Should I do that? Should I go travel the world? Should I? Yes, 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 and more yeses. You should. You should start your business. You should start your blog. You should start the video series. You should start it all. Start. But Alex, what if I fail? And? But Alex, I'm not as popular as everyone else. And? But Alex, I don't... And? Do it anyways. Get over it. Get over it. At some point, you have to get over it. Is Chick-fil-A saying, oh my God, there's Popeyes and there's churches. Oh, but Alex, they have money. That's not how they started. Why do we become so lost in how people began? Why are you looking at the Beyoncés? Why are you looking at the Steve Harveys? Why are you looking at the Oprahs? That's not how they started. You know that. You know that's not how they started. What you're doing, my friends, is called an excuse. So the question once again, are you done making excuses? Are you done fabricating ideas to stop you from walking in your purpose? Are you done? You have you not done? Oh, I'm sorry. You need permission to live out your dream. Dear, insert your name. You now have permission today to go do whatever it is that you've been asking everybody that you need to do or should do, that you've been thinking about, that you've been wanting, and you've been wanting confirmation. You've been asking for this confirmation. God, send me a sign. Here you go. Yes, you can go follow all the things that you want to do. You might have to do it one by one. You can't do all 17 things at once. Start one, write it out a little bit, change it. Start another thing, write it out a little bit, change it. Or find that one thing, settle in it, live there, grind there, be great at it, dominate it, destroy it, let that propel you into doing all the other things you want to do. So before you want a coffee shop and you want a clothing line and you want a XYZ, build yourself up in your industry first, wherever you are. Build yourself up in there. Save your money, stack your chips, stack your ends, get your funds up. And then maybe jump into it. Make a plan. Write things down. What is this world that you live in? This sometimes can kill you. Get off of this for a second. Get out a pen. That's not a pen. Get out a piece of paper. I know. And you write the goals and dreams down. You say to yourself, this is what I want. I want to be on the Ellen Show. I want to be a doctor that saves 3 lives a week, a month, a year, whatever that is. And you look at that dream every day. And you do not take your eyes off of that dream. And if you do that, and you actually work hard, and you ask the questions you need to ask, and you take advantage of your resources, and you utilize your professors and your environment, and cold call and email people and tweet and Facebook and find the people that you're trying to connect with. If you go to those conferences, if you actually pick up those events, if you read those blogs that they write, if you actually buy those books, If you actually go in the magazines for your industry, find the authors who wrote the article about the person you want to be like and email him or her and say, how can I get connected to you and serve you so I can somehow get connected to this person that I want to meet one day? So now the question once again, are you done? Because if you keep sitting around waiting to make something happen, you're impacting the life of everyone else. And that is extremely selfish. I just want you to stop today. You got it? Capiche? You feels me's? Alright, so in the comment section, I want you to put down your favorite quote from the Black Panther movie. If you haven't seen it, it's okay. Just write a quote that everyone else is saying, or just say you haven't seen it yet. And if you don't plan to, that's cool. If you do, well, it's not cool, but I'm gonna accept it. And if you do plan to see it, hope you enjoy it. Alright, so I love y'all incredibly. It's not about me, it's about G.O.D. Holla at your boy. Peace.